to introduce the speaker for the next session, Rotarian Suguna Devi Murugan, a behavioral coach, founder and director of We4U, which is an educational consultancy. She has over 18 years of experience in the training industry. She has trained over 10,000 plus students so far from IT companies, colleges, schools, and teachers. Education leads life. That is the tagline of her company. And she believes that it is learning that comes along with us, and also it is learning that takes us high in our objective in our life. She has an MBA in educational management. She's an MPhil. She's done her MS in counseling and psychotherapy. Suna ma'am was the past president of the Rotary Club of Chennai Bharati, and she's currently the youth service director for this year. Her Aspire Raila series and her Ignite Success are the talk of the town in the Rotary world now. She is someone like all our past presidents. She's one of the pillars of the Rotary Club of Chennai Bharati, and I am eagerly looking forward to listening to her talk. Over to you, Sugu ma'am.
Thank you so much, Sujita, for that such a wonderful introduction. I hope I'm audible to all of you. Is my
You're
voice
audible,
clear?
ma'am.
Yes.
Audible, audible.
Yeah, fantastic to address all of you on this topic. And the previous two speakers, they really rocked. And the most important aspect in today's life in women, right? They were talking about self defense and how assertive a woman should be. And for me, I have taken up the topic today as life skills, right? So I think the students who are here are not new to me. Most of them might have seen me in few sessions with your college guys. So let's just start off with my topic today is life skills, right? All of us would have heard, okay, like soft skills pati kelvi patrupom, like personality development, that this. But what is this life skills, Suguna? This is really important, okay? Even in the chat low, a question, Kate, I think one Mrs. Priya had asked a question like, how to instate this with the parents basically in the particular culture of respecting women and others. See, life skills is something, a knowledge or a skill which is necessary for everyday living, right? As a human being, as we are here, like everyday living, we need certain aspects, certain skills, right? But are we equipped with that? That's a big question here. So when I move around, discussing and taking sessions with many students, young adolescent people, what I actually find is that like most of them are, because of technology growth and because of like a lot of changes happening, they're all stuck to one particular thing, right? But I still remember when we were young, right? When I was young, there were so many things that our parents actually, or my parents, really put into me, like chinna chinna vishayangal kuda, like like how to make a tea. That is a life skill, right? When nobody is there, mom is not there, you need to make a cup of tea for a guest or for yourself or some kind of a scenario. இப்ப இருக்க குழந்தைங்க நிறைய பேருக்கு வந்து we don't find it, they say, oh, tea, how do I make it? It's also like Greek and Latin for them, right? So everything is done by either the cook or mom or someone else, correct? So life skill is something like that which we need to do on a day to day life, guys. Like இது வந்து ரெண்டா பிரிக்கலாம், regular skills and survival skills, we can say. Regular skills is something like which we, that what I spoke now, right? Like making coffee, tea, making our own bed, when in case if maid is not there, we should know how to wash our clothes. The day-to-day life activities, like suddenly there is a power fluctuation, power is not there, we should know to change the phase. We can't sit simply saying like, oh, I don't know. Okay, even opening an account in a bank or writing a challan, bank challan, right? All these are regular skills. I see, like when I go to IT companies for training, what happens is like many people, like they travel from other places to Chennai, or from Chennai to, say, from Gurgaon to Chennai or Chennai to Kolkata, right? Totally new places for them. How do they actually get in? They get into a PG accommodation or they get into a hostel, right? So they should know certain skills, how to keep themselves intact in those kind of scenarios. So are we really teaching that to our kids, to our generations? Are we making them individual, right? Yes, we make them, we give them all sophisticated equipments in life, and we try to comfort them with everything, and we are there with them everywhere. But are we giving them life skills on a day-to-day basis? It's something related to what the others also spoke today. Correct. So that is where the survival skills, sir, அழகா சொல்லி கொடுத்தாங்க இன்னைக்கு. Right? It's a survival skill. When there is a scenario, when there is a problem, when there is a situation like this, how to react, right? So how our mind should be in like conditioned in such a way that we quickly take critical decisions over there. Actually, life skill, critical decision or critical thinking is part of a life skill, especially for adolescents, guys, because that is the age. Like I've met many adolescent kids, especially those age, and the age lada, the transition from childhood to adulthood happens. Actually, there are a lot of like changes in them, and that is the stage where they go beyond parents, family, and they are influenced by the peers also over there. So we need to impart this life skills for this particular age, the adolescents basically. Okay, and why do we have to do this is a biggest question here, actually, because in this simple thing is that we need to empower the adolescent to act responsibly towards the society. இப்போ நிறைய விஷயங்கள் இப்போ பேசிட்டு இருக்கோம். We are talking about women and self defense, right? Yes, for women we are teaching them self defense. Fantastic. Now what are we doing for the men? Okay, what are we doing for the boys? Basically, boys or girls for that matter, we in life skills is a part of the skill where we teach the young generation as to how responsible can you be towards a society, towards your colleague, towards your peers, towards the other mankind, other human there. When you see someone, learn to respect, right? Lot of things which we have to teach them, actually. And those days and the kalathila, especially in I would say, like, it came with us, right? But now totally entire thing, mom is working, dad is working, we are a nuclear family, right? So which means like life skills, we need someone to pitch in to teach all these things, definitely. Because as a family, we don't get many of them don't get time to actually communicate. But I would say, please take the time when you have a kid, okay, who is of adolescent age, then this is the time you give a lot of concentration on the kid, whether it is a boy or a girl, and you need to talk to them about a lot of things like self control, right? Communication, how do they communicate with people? That is also a life skill there. Critical thinking in many scenarios, or a lift situation kamchanga sir, right? So if that girl was not very assertive, or if she had not had a critical thinking, there was something going on behind her mind, right? Okay, there is a guy, I have to be a little careful about it. She was, I mean, like, very simple as that. Actually, since she took that, and she was able to take the challenge also, right? So these are small things which we need to inculcate in the adolescent people especially. And the most important skills which WHO tells as part of life skill is like self awareness, right? Am I aware of what I am? Or dressing kuda na solren, right? We need to know. Children, you're all there, all of you are women, all of you girls, we watch a lot of movies. As sir said, social media, sharing pictures in social media every day, putting status போடலாம். But then, is the video really good? Is the picture really good? It will be reached by so many people, it will be seen by so many people, right? And are we really empathetical, right? When we see someone in trouble, when we see someone in, like, some kind of a situation, are we really trying to go and help them, right? Creative thinking, definitely creative thinking and critical thinking is an important life skill now. And that will help you to support yourself. See, okay, there are a lot of problems in the society. Adhikaga, can we sit at home? Can we say like, oh no, there is so many problem, I won't send my daughter, or I will not go out to actually work or study? No, we are going out. We need to meet people. We need to be actually really strong enough to face problem solving techniques and problem solving tools. We need to know how to solve the problem. Actually, we shouldn't panic in any situation. Being assertive, what is assertive? Giving a win-win situation to everyone. And interpersonal skills, right? யார்கிட்ட என்ன பேசுறோங்கிறதும் தெரியணும். What kind of information am I transferring from myself, right? I'm chatting with my friends, I'm using so many things, right? I'm using Facebook, I'm using Instagram to chat with people. A lot of videos I'm seeing, I'm giving commenting, but what am I actually communicating? Interpersonal skill எது சொல்லணும் மத்தவங்களுக்கு என்ன பத்தி, that information I have to give. As ladies, as women, that is the most important life skill you have to learn in today's world, right? It is just not cooking, it is just not living alone, it's just not being independent, but you should actually know how to face the society. That is also a life skill and important. இதெல்லாம் எங்க கத்துக்கலாம் ma'am? Where do I go to do it? There are a lot available in the internet. There are a lot available. Don't get into so many other videos. If you go into, as our president said, get into all those the defense videos which you can see in the pen website. Actually learn that from the website. You can learn those things. You can learn those art from you, right? And coping with emotions also, that is a weakness for us, correct? When we are outside within our family, okay, when we are outside, we need to know how to cope with emotions, because and the emotion can also be something in front of us actually, which is going to pull us down. Other which is advantage, they can take some advantage on us, right? And coping with our stress also. Anything and everything, we get stressed. சின்ன சின்ன விஷயங்களுக்கு, my friend did not share lunch with me, I become stressed. Okay, my friend actually did not give me water, I become stressed. No, stress is something which has to happen for something really. You should not get stressed and you should know how to come out of it very easily. இதுக்கெல்லாம் என்ன பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னு கேட்டீங்கன்னா, first is your self awareness, right? And make sure you have a good decision making skill, problem solving, have a clear mind, clear thought. Don't get addicted to anything, right? When I say addicted, it need not be only drugs or anything else like that. It can be even your Instagram, your WhatsApp, right? I see today people, when I go out, I see youngsters, when I go to corporates to handle classes, the moment the classes get over, when they're outside the gate, quickly they have a earphone over the they pick up the phone, and I can see them walking on the road. I have seen n number of accidents because of that in my life, with the in the corporate life. All these are small life skills which you should know, guys. We call this life skill because we don't, these are not soft skills, these are survival skills, these are regular skills which every one of us should know. Basically, okay, weekly something is happening, quickly, don't panic, right? There's no water, what do I do? Okay, I don't depend on someone, I should quickly take a decision, I should try to solve problem. Good interpersonal skills and effective communication, most important over here, right? Now who needs all this? As I said, age between, I mean, like 18 years, the adolescent, especially unga age, you are all into college first years, like you should actually go ahead and know a lot on this, guys, basically. So I've been talking about this to almost whomever, whichever student I go around, you know, like whether it's corporate or whether it is schools or colleges, okay? And I also try to do parenting skills, and even there I tell the parents, let us inculcate this within our kids, right? We should make them individual. Like I still remember a story there, you know, like butterfly cocoon is there, correct? So what happens is, like it takes some time for it, the cocoon is so strongly there, you know, it tries to come out of it, it struggles to come out of it. பார்க்கிறதுக்கு நமக்கு அது வந்து struggling மாதிரி தான் இருக்கும் actually. But what happens is, like it struggles a lot, and somehow அதுவாகவே வெளியில வந்து once it shows the wings, okay, only then, you know, like it can fly, and it is colorful. But if someone is trying to help it, you know, like pull out those cocoon or something like that, what happens is it may break or it may lose its thing. That's nature, actually. It's the same way our kids, right? Make them individual, okay? Don't spoon feed them with everything. Like make them actually learn the life skills in today's world, small things, you know. Let them be courageous, let them be independent in life. And as teachers, if there are lecturers here, teachers here, when we actually take classes, when we talk to them, we slightly and slowly start putting in these kind of life skills and make them confident, independent, and assertive to face the world. So that will really support them to go ahead, right? So in short, in the time frame what I have been given now, I just wanted to sensitize this. There is something called life skills, that is survival skills and regular skills, which all of us have to know, and current generation should definitely go behind that, right? So I hope all of you will start looking into what are life skills and start equipping yourself with the life skills from today onwards. Will you do that, children, for us? So actually, I
I'm
really,
sure, ma'am. I'm
yes.
sure they are all eagerly listening to you.
Correct. Yes. So actually, I just wanted to sensitize this, guys, how important it is, and it is related to entire thing over here, right? So let's just start working on the life skills of each and every one of us, whether it's your sister, your daughter, your son, anyone. Please start giving them the life skills. Thank you so much for this opportunity, President and Secretary. Thank you so much for RCCB also. Yes.